Is up. Welcome to a new edition of what's going on in the garage. Today we are doing an oil change on the 911. I've wanted to do this for the last couple of years, but I don't know, every time I've tried to record, I've always kind of been in a rush and it's like I don't have time. So this time I got free schedule, so we're going to record it. We're going to do a little how-to video, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So first thing obviously is to get the car on the ramps, warm it up a little bit. Drove it around for about 25-30 minutes, and yeah, get it jacked up here using the Rhino ramps, so should be pretty safe. And let's go through the kind of tools you're going to need. You're going to need some OW40, so we got 10 quarts here, oil pan, towels, oil filter housing, little screw cap here to take it off, funnel for the oil, little ratchet here that's gonna, nice adjustable one. It has a little flex head so it can get into a tough to reach spot, and yeah, we're gonna need a 19 mil for the crankcase, or the oil pan, one or the other. We need a 19 mil, we need a 15 mil, and then we also need a 27 mil open-ended wrench for counter torque. So, or adjustable wrench, you can also use that too. We'll be using an adjustable wrench today. And yeah, so this is where the oil filter sits. There's a little housing here, and we're going to unscrew that off, and we're going to take the filter out, and we're going to put a new one in. This is where the oil goes. Handy little guys at Stuttgart gave us the little sign there, so that's fun. And underneath here, this is the crankcase, and this is going to be your 15 mil to drain the crankcase, and then over here is going to be your 19 mil, and that's going to drain the oil pan. This is aluminium, so very easy to bend, quite soft metal, so we've got to be very careful, which is why we have to use this 27. See this thing here, 27 mil. The nut kind of sits in. We use that to counter torque. Once we let both of those draining, we'll let them drain for a bit, and then yeah, we'll seal them back up, pop some new oil in. Should be good to go. So yeah, let's get cracking. So before I forget, some important numbers here: the 44, 52, 19, and 8.5. Okay, so let's go through those. So firstly, the 42 number, that's going to be the foot-pounds. 44 pounds, 44 foot-pounds, that's going to be this guy. 52 is going to be this guy. 19 is going to be this guy. And the 8.5, well, I'm going to do 8, because that's what I've done the last two oil changes. But that's how many quarts you're going to put in. So we're going to put 8 quarts of oil. Alright, 52, 44, 19, 8. Okay, so we've just got our 15 mil, and we've come here and we've undid it. Now is the catch, little catch game. We play with the oil, because this could go gushing out. Alright, well that was rather uneventful, that's good. Okay, the next step was removing the screw right here from the oil pan, and we did that, and be very careful because it absolutely gushes out like the Exxon Valdez. So we spilled a little bit, so we'll have to mop that up, but otherwise going well. So these are your 2 bolts from the oil pan crankcase. You got some washers here, and now we go and we're going to take the filter off. Oops. What's that? Oh, I'm gonna wipe it up with these towels in a second.
So he says, what did he say? Do you have kids? I was like, no. Do you have a wife? I said, no. I don't have a wife. He says, you live somewhere. Do you have a whole house? I said, yeah. He says, you have the whole house to yourself. I said, yeah. And then he goes, are you doing that?
Yeah.
And then he goes, oh, were you lonely during the isolation?
That's very thoughtful.
I was like, you know. They put the instructions on like writing. Wait, I'm going to. Wait, let me move it so you can fit.
There we go, I'm in. Am I holding your hand?
Mm-mm.
Boom!
One's good. You're not doing the second click. And that one I remember, wait. 42 or something? Or 20 something?
This one's 52.
Ah, 50.
It's always bigger than the. This is a crankcase. You can yank on this thing.
Is there a mod for that crankcase? You can't, right? It's part of the